Okay, this video is about the worksheet Order of Operations Practice. Make sure you have this worksheet. We're going to do the guided practice together. Now, I'm going to go through these 5 problems, and my main focus here is to make sure that you know how to put these correctly into your calculator. I want you to understand order of operations. I want you to understand when you're looking at this problem that you're going to do parentheses first. Now this one's a little strange, and this is the reason I put it here. You see these brackets and then this set of parentheses. They mean the same thing. This is a set of parentheses and this is a set of parentheses. But you're never going to see one set of parentheses inside another unless they're different shapes. These are different shapes so that you can tell that this set starts here and this is the end of it, and this set starts here and this is the end of it. It's so you have a matching set and you know that these 2 pieces go together and this is what's inside them, and these 2 pieces go together and this is what's inside them. Anytime you have parentheses inside of parentheses, they're going to change shapes by layers. When you use your calculator, you're going to use the one button that looks like this for either shape. This is parentheses, this is parentheses. You're going to use the parentheses button on your calculator. So, on this problem right here, you would go to the inside of the parentheses right here, 15 minus 3. You would do that and you would get 12. Inside parentheses, I would do the inside first. Then I would do exponents, so I would square that, and 12 squared would be 144. Then 144 divided by 4 is going to give me 36. So everything inside these parentheses would equal 36, and then that 36 would be multiplied by 3, and the total of all of this would be 108. Now, I just did that by going step by step according to order of operations. Now I want to look at how are we going to put that in the calculator. So I want you to be able to see my calculator screen. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit so that you can see my calculator screen. And I'm going to put all of this directly into the calculator. I'm going to press 3, parentheses for this square one, then parentheses again for the curved one, 15 minus 3, close the parentheses, then I'm going to square that, then I'm going to press divided by 4, close the parentheses, and when I press enter, it's going to give me the same answer, 108. Now, I prefer for you to put it all directly in the calculator in one step, like I did right here. Put all of this directly into the calculator. All right, let's look at the next one. On the next one, I'm just going to put it straight in the calculator. 4, parentheses, 20, plus 12, close the parentheses, divided by, parentheses, 4 minus 3, close the parentheses, and then I'm going to press enter. And the answer to that one is 128. Okay, let's look at why that happened. On this problem, you would do what's inside parentheses first. 20 plus 12 is 32. And if I multiply 4 times 32, I get 128. Divided by, in this set of parentheses, 4 minus 3 is 1. So I'd have 128 divided by 1, and that gives me 128. On number 3. Number 3 says 3 minus 15 times 5. If you're doing order of operations, you would multiply 15 times 5 first, and you would get 75, and then you do 3 minus 75 would give you negative 72. Let's try it in the calculator. 3 minus 15 times 5 equals, and that gives me negative 72. Number 4, I have subtraction, multiply, divide, add. I would do the multiply and divide first. First I'm going to multiply, then I would divide, and then I'd start back at the beginning and add and subtract. So 6 times 10 is 60, divided by 2 is 30. All of this right here would be 30. 17 minus 30 would be negative 13, plus 12 is negative 1. Now let's put it in the calculator. 17 minus 6 times 10 divided by 2 plus 12 equals negative 1. Number 5. If I were working this out by order of operations, I would add 8 plus 7 is 15. 5 times 15 is 75. And 75 plus 7 would be 82. Let's put it in the calculator. 5 times parentheses 8 plus 7 parentheses plus 7. This is the way I prefer for you to do it. I prefer for you to put it straight in the calculator and get your answer. And the answer is 82. Now, you're going to go on and finish the rest of this worksheet on your own.